Before going to sea, the navigator should check the vessel's documents to ensure it is legal to go to sea. Remember that even if the documents are in order, you still have an obligation to visually and physically check the vessel before going to sea. The Small Commercial Vessel Safety Certificate is issued to vessels that have been inspected by flag state surveyors. When we take a look at this certificate, we will see that it addresses, mainly, equipment. The SCV code, generally, is concerned with the number, disposition and capacity of various items of ship, or boat, equipment. The certificate provides enough vessel information to be able to track its history, even if it has had a name change. The MMSI is the Maritime Mobile Service Identity Number. The certificate details the number and the qualifications of the personnel, for each position, who should be on board when the vessel is operating. The certificate defines the area and conditions of operation for the vessel. For example, a vessel may be certified for coastal waters, up to Beaufort Force 5, then must return to protected waters. There is a statement on the certificate about the completion and result of the survey. Many ship certificates have to be revalidated annually. The SCV Safety Certificate is one of them. The flag state surveyor inspects the vessel and endorses the certificate as shown here. The vessel has the same paper certificate for 5 years. The certificate will show how the vessel complies with the statutory requirements of the SCV code with regard to life-saving and firefighting equipment. Notice, the surveyor will inspect the detailed records of safety equipment maintenance and servicing. Will inspect the detailed records of safety equipment maintenance and servicing. The certificate will show how the vessel complies with the statutory requirements of the SCV code with regard to life-saving and firefighting equipment. The certificate will show the details of the fixed firefighting systems on board. The certificate will show the details of navigation and bridge equipment, including VHF radio, EPIRB, the emergency position indicating radio beacon, SART, the search and rescue transponder, and GMDSS, the Global Marine Distress Safety System. Sometimes, the administration may exempt any vessel from some of the provisions of the code. If that is the case, the exemption will be noted on the certificate. The rudder is the most important part of the ship. If the rudder becomes defective, the ship can no longer operate, even though the condition of the hull and machinery is satisfactory. Similar to the propeller, the rudder is normally immersed under water. Therefore, details of its condition can be observed only during a bottom inspection when the ship is docked. Inspection of the rudder also includes inspection of deformation, checking for cracks and the condition of rudder bearing wear down. Cargo vessels are normally dry docked every 5 years. Dry docking includes an out-of-water inspections to verify that the structure, main and essential auxiliary machinery, systems and equipment of the ship remain in acceptable condition. The SCV Code Safety Certificate details the dates of out-of-water inspections of the vessel.